Using styles. When editing the page content area of your page, there are some options in your ribbon to set some styles. This one here, where my mouse is pointing right now, it sets the format quickly using a gallery of available styles for you. And the other one here is markup styles, which specifies certain HTML elements into the page so that we are AODA compliant. So we're going to take a look at how to copy and paste some text from an existing website into the Enterprise portal. So right now you'll see by looking at our breadcrumb that I am on the About Us page of Pelee Island Public School. I've already clicked on my site actions and selected Edit, so my Edit ribbon is showing up at the top. In a new tab up here, I'm going to navigate to the old school website. And there are some nice pieces of information here about Pelee Island School, so I'm going to click and highlight that information. And I'm going to right-click on my mouse button, which pulls up a menu, and select the word Copy. And that's going to copy this text onto my clipboard. Then I'm going to come back up here and click back to the Enterprise portal. And I'm going to scroll down to my page content area, where I'm going to click, so my cursor is blinking there. Right-click on my mouse and paste the information. So there we have our lovely information about Pelee Island Public School, but it is in green and it is in a certain font, and I'm not sure if that font is AODA compliant. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to clear the formatting. So we're going to click and drag until all of that text is highlighted. Scroll back up to our ribbon, and you're looking for a little icon that looks like a letter A with an eraser. And we're just going to click on that icon, and what it's going to do is it's going to take away all of the formatting from the previous site and just leave our regular text here, as you can see. Now let's say we wanted to add a title here. I'm just going to click at the beginning of our text and enter a few spaces. And I'm going to print the title About Pelee Island School, Public School. But I want to make sure that this piece is seen as a headline. So I'm going to click and drag to highlight just that little area. And then up at the top, if I select the arrow under Markup Styles, it gives me some options for headings. And if I scroll over them, I'm going to choose heading number 4. And it's going to apply that to the About Pelee Island School. Let's try heading 1, see if that looks any different. There we go. So I like that one's nice and big, so I'm going to leave that with our for our title, for our heading, by using that markup style. And then, if I'd like to change the style of this a little bit, I can highlight this. I can go back up, and I can choose from the options here under Styles, or I can choose some options, under Markup Styles by clicking the arrow. And it's going to give me some options here. So I'm just going to choose the paragraph option, and it gives me some nice spacing in between my paragraphs. And then, when I'm finished with my formatting, I can save and close my page. And that is how you use markup styles.